Hello, I'm the Power Guy from TDK-Lambda. In this video, we will discuss why EMC compliance is critical and what may cause a test failure. Meeting EMC electromagnetic compatibility standards is a legal obligation in many countries. It ensures that electrical and electronic equipment functions correctly in its environment and does not generate unacceptable disturbances that could affect other equipment. Unacceptable disturbances can be a number of things. They could be disturbances which are radiated or conducted. They may also result in physical harm, loss of data, or factory output. Static may also cause products to stop working correctly. Ow! Ooh. Power supplies are tested for EMC. Conducted and radiated emissions must be below set limits. The CUS 250M, for example, has generous margins, giving a system designer one less part to be concerned about. A 6 decibel margin equates to a noise level that is 50% below the test limits. During system EMC testing, the power supply may be linked to a test failure. A common reason is poorly laid out wiring crossing over the power supply. Picking up interference. To resolve this, separate the input and output wiring, twisting cables if necessary. Multiple ground points should be consolidated to only one location, avoiding issues during electrical surges. Noise may be caused by either differential or common mode noise. But how do you tell the difference? Here you can see how the noise currents circulate in differential mode and common mode. Here's a quick tip. Put a clamp on ferrite around the output and ground cables from the power supply to the load. If there is no effect, then the noise currents are a differential mode problem. Add an inductor in series with the power supply ground wire to reduce that noise. Lastly, low-cost power supplies may be tested with non-documented additional shielding or filtering. A photo or drawing of the setup in the EMC report will determine this. An unexpected test failure will result in additional test site costs, extra material costs for metal shielding, filters and ferrite cores, even exceeding the cost of the power supply, schedule delays for redesigning the system. In summary, low-cost power supplies may turn out expensive. Look for EMC test reports showing the actual measurements to determine the margin, not a pass statement. Choose a knowledgeable power supply company with local support and test capability. Knowledge is power. Power is TDK-Lambda.